Hello guys, it's Amphyfx here. So today I'm going to be talking about time alignment. There are so many people confused, they get confused about this and they are doing it the wrong way. So if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can align different time frames, to catch good trades as a trader and stop missing out on a particular trade. So time alignment, why is it so important? Now it is important because it allows you to what? To get your entries. Also to minimize missing out on a specific trade. And it's so good for what? It's so good for confirmation entries. Now there are cons to it. The cons are what? You miss out on good trades due to what? Volatility, especially when there is what? High volume or there is volatility in the market. That's the opposite side of this time alignment. Now, time alignment. Whenever you're analyzing, let's say for example, you analyze on 4 hour time frame and you have your specific OB or a POI on the 4 hour time frame. So you should look for what? When the market gets there, you should look for the what? The OB, the confirmation for a reversal or possible change of reversal on the lower time frame of 15 minutes. If you get your what? Your POI on 1 hour time frame, your confirmation entry should be on the 55 minutes. And if you get your analysis on 15 minutes, your confirmation should be on what? 1 minute or 3 minutes. Now, let me explain. Let's say, for example, market is giving us series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? And then higher highs. And then market eventually will change direction to a bearish trend or a reversing. Then what? Market came back to our other block here. Let's say this is 4 hour time frame and I have my 4 hour order block here. And now market is currently at this 4 hour order block. For me to what? To get my confirmation entry, I have to switch back to what? 15 minutes to see what? To see market change direction from what? From bullish towards from bearish to bullish. I have to see what? Market structural shift. Market clearing the recent high before the break of structure or before tapping into this zone or the recent structural high, valid structural high. Market has to clear this was high, and then I'll now what? Mark out my other block on the what? On the 15 minutes time frame here, and then what? Go and target the recent structural high on the 4 hour time frame. Very simple. So this applies to what? Other time frame too. If I get my other block on, let's say, if I get my other block on, let's say, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and market tap into my other block, I have to what? Go to a lower time frame to what? Look for a confirmation for a reversal. That's what market structural shift or a change of character. Market structural shift or a change of character. So let me go to a live chat. Now now this is a live chat. I have market reacting from 1 hour order block here. We have order block from 1 hour order block. So and I said on the 1 hour time frame, if you have your POI on the 1 hour time frame, you should switch towards a lower time frame. Now let's switch to 5 minute time frame. I should switch there. So market was doing series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs towards my what? Towards my POI, right? Breaking structure to the downside. Can you see? Market was breaking structure, break of structure to the downside, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. and then eventually the last break of structure, right? This is the last break of structure after tapping into this other block. This is the last break of structure, and what do you see? Market gave me what? A market structural shift. That's what market structural shift. And then I can what? Look for opportunity to buy around, look for another block here, an unmitigated other block, and what, get an entry and targets the recent what valid structure. I may decide to what, target the recent what, the higher time frame valid structure, and you can see market came, took it out, and that will be what, that will be a win trade for me, right? That will be what, a win trade for me. So just that. Now that's that for now. Let's go to a different chart. Now this is a GPJPY 4 hour time frame. Now I have my 4 hour order block here. Let's say this is 4 hour order block here. We have order block here. And OB 4 hour order block. Then what will I do? I have to switch to what, 15 minute time frame to get my what, my confirmation entry. This is the 15 minute. And I said what, the last break of structure before the what, before the other block. This is the valid last break of structure here, right? And then what do you see? Market gave us a market structural shift. And after the market structural shift, I should what, mark out my other block, my valid other block. And what do you see happen? Market came back, tap into this other block, and then what? You then target what? The valid structure, your valid what? Structural high. And this is a structural high, and that will be what? A winner for you. That will be a winner for you. So guys, that's that about time alignment. Time alignment is so crucial that if you get it wrong, you might miss out on good trades, and if you get it right, you might end up having what, having quality trades and catching what, nice moves as a trader. So guys, if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.